how's the day is today? It is sunny.
Yeah.
We all love to sit here, है ना? Sit here.
Yes.
Sunlight is here. Okay. So we are going to do preposition activity. We already done the chapter of preposition.
Yes,
We already done. Okay. One of you, Priyal, stand up. Fast. Now tell me, where is Priyal?
Behind the tree.
No. Just
The Priyal is behind the tree. Priyal is behind the tree.
Priyal is behind the tree. What is the meaning of behind?
पीछे.
यानी प्रियल कहाँ खड़ी है? पेड़ के पीछे. Now see, we have two situation. Meghan is standing over here and Rudra is standing over here. So where is Meghan? Meghan is
In front of the tree.
Meghan is in front of the tree. So what about Rudra? Where is Rudra?
Rudra is under
Rudra is under the
the tree.
tree या Rudra is standing under the tree? मतलब रुद्र पेड़ के नीचे खड़ा है और मेघान कहाँ खड़ा है? पेड़ के सामने. ठीक है? Now Arav, go and stand over there. Now tell me, what about Arav? Where's the Arav is standing?
Arav is standing near the tree.
Arav is standing near the tree. Very good. So he is Vivan and Vivan is sitting here, Priyal is here and Rudra is here. So tell me, where is Vivan?
In front of the Priyal and Rudra.
No, you are wrong, Anya. Wait. Yes, tell me. Between. So Vivan is sitting between Rudra and Priyal. Means Vivan कहाँ बैठा है? Priyal और Rudra के बीच में. Between, that is बीच में. Two girls are standing over here. One is Sanvi and one is Anvi. So my question is that कि मेरा जो question है आप लोगों से कि tell me what is the position of Sanvi? बताओ. You already learned na preposition. Yes, Nitya, look at me. What is the position of Sanvi?
Sanvi.
Yes.
Position of Sanvi is front of the tree.
No, front. I'm asking this two about this two. No tree is here.
Near of Anvi.
Near of Anvi. No.
Sun.
You all are wrong here. Sanvi is beside Anvi. Beside means, what is the meaning of beside? The spelling is beside. So the meaning of beside is बगल में. तो सानवी किसके बगल में? अन्वी के बगल में. So now you learn the new word of preposition. What is the meaning of beside? बगल में. If I am talking about what is the position of Anvi, so what you have to say? Anvi is standing beside Sanvi. Now you understand, na?
Yes.
So what new word you have to learn today? Beside. Beside means bagal mein.
Yes.
Okay? If I am going to ask you, Viraj, who is sitting beside you?
Nitya.
Nitya is sitting beside you. Yes, Satyak, who is sitting beside you?
Ananya.
Okay. Rudra, who is sitting beside you?
Ananya.
Okay. Who is sitting beside you, Kashvi?
Ushidya.
Yes, Shanaya, who is sitting beside you? Shivansh is sitting beside you?
No.
Then Aradhya is sitting beside you, na? Yes. Good. In preposition, we have to recognize the position of the object or the person or anything else that is given. Understand?
Yes.
What we have to recognize in preposition? Position. Because preposition, here it is. Preposition word में क्या है? Preposition. Position is there. Okay, तो हमें क्या recognize करना है? Position of an object or things or whatever person or whatever it is. Understand?
Yes.
Now you all understand preposition perfectly, correctly with this activity?
Yes.
Okay, very nice.